This is it, Pilipinas at Team Online. Oras na para salubungin ang ating first male duo evictees of the season. Ang diligent wonder son ng Marinduque na si Michael at ang Mr. Bankable Achiever ng Pasig, Emilio.
Paalam muna sandali, kailan ba naging madali? Kahit ayaw kung sa akin mawali ka, walang magagawa.
Mga kapuso at kapamilya, nandito na sila. Palakpakan natin, Michael and Emilio!
Oh, welcome to the outside world!
Welcome back to the outside world, Michael, Emilio. You boys made us so proud sa inyong stay sa bahay ni Kuya. Ano yung sa tingin nyo pinaka-importanting aral na babaunin niyo dito sa outside world?
Thank you, Ate Bianca, for that question. I think ang pinaka-importanting aral na nakuha ko dito sa bahay ni Kuya ay maging mabuting tao. Yun talaga, Ate Bianca. Just be good. And it'll all come back to you, one way or another.
Yes.
Hello po sa inyong lahat.
Michael! Naiyak talaga si Michael. Michael, ang dami nagmamahal sa inyo ni Emilio dito with their posters.
I'm really sorry.
Don't say sorry.
Madami nagmamahal sa inyo!
But I love you guys. Because I love you all so much. The biggest lesson I learned from this house is to just spread love, stay positive. You never know what will happen, and cherish the people around you and be thankful for them. Maraming salamat, Kuya, and to everybody's here. I love you all so much.
I hope this shows you boys how loved you are. Maraming salamat for sharing your life dito sa Pinoy Big Brother. Oh my God!
We love you, Michael. Mas dumami. Mas dumami pa ang humahanga at sumusuporta sa inyong dalawa.
Pilipinas at Team Online, sama-sama na kayong wag bibitiw sa nag-iisang teleserye ng totoong buhay ng mga sikat. Ito ang
Pinoy Big Brother Celebrity Collab Edition!
Michael